So I love my car, but here's one thing that I can't stand, and that's this right here. On my 2015 Audi A4, I've already done a lot of modifications, but for the outside, I have a lot of black accents. Black grille, black splitter, black canards, black fog light trim, black side skirts, even a blacked out roof. But this emblem just doesn't match, so now it's time to fix it. First step is to remove the stock emblem. Pretty easy to do. I used the heat gun to heat it up, pried off the emblem, and cleaned off all the residue. Here's the emblem I just removed, and here are all the brand new side pieces that I'm going to be trying on the car. Right over here I have some kind of fake vents. They look pretty cool. They have an RS logo. That sticker can actually be removed, and they're just held on by double-sided tape, so pretty easy to install. I did install these on my car, and to be honest, it was just a little too much going on. I just didn't really like the way it looked on the car. So the next items are these emblems right here. These are S-Line emblems with a matte black finish, and they have silver lettering. At first, I thought they looked pretty cool. The only issue is, when you look really close, the quality of the letters didn't look that good. I mean, they're kind of rough. So I decided I'm just not going to even try to put these on the car. Ultimately, I settled on these emblems right over here. So what's cool about these, they're exactly the same as the OEM emblems, but now they're fully gloss black. So it's really stealthy. You still can see the S-Line wording when the light catches it in the right way. And I think they're going to complement all the gloss black accents I've already done to the car. So I'm going to go ahead, put these on. And also, I want to put these Audi logo decals on the bottom of my rear doors. And I think that's going to look really cool. I'm really liking the way they look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.